How is that not falling? Oh, wait. Oh, we pushed it back. What are you doing? Yeah. Turn my music off. What are you doing, Max? Looking at the camera. And loving my game. Well, that's not my game, so don't ruin it. Oh, you're just getting comfy on the spot where all my movies are going to go. Yeah, doing that. Are you comfy? You don't look comfy. I don't think you're comfy. Okay. If you attack that, all of that is gonna fall on that. So, that's not to attack that. No, just there. No. Rawr. The mighty roar of the Mac. Does anybody else here think I like close-up of my cat's face? I like to see if I can annoy him. His tail's going, so I think it's working. Anybody else think it's working? I think it's working. Let's poke him. Nah. Ah! Whoa. Oh, it's okay. I love you. Oh, fishing. You're adorable. Especially when you're agitated. Just get that. Exactly. Get that camera out of my face, biatch. Excuse me, what you call me? He's been very grumpy because I had Mom clean his ears and I cut his nails. There. Sandy. Ah! Okay, say bye-bye.